It's a big one.
You made a nice fucking one.
Look at that fucking spinning. Did you see that? Let him spin it again. He's swallowing it right now.
Oh man, that was a good beer. Oh, now that's on my video. I just said something about beer.
That I had.
Okay.
A beer.
It was smoking them. You made a good run. I think you come back towards the hole though.
There's the minnow.
And your turn's over.
Son of a bitch. Damn things keep spitting it out.
You did not try it.
Oh, he's a big one. I can tell.
Get that line out of there.
Don't let him get tangled. 34. He's a 34. 38. He's a You got him, Bubba?
I got it.
He's only a 32. Are you still pulling on him, Dave?
Yeah.
22.
How big is he?
He's got a lot of fucking line on it.
Tell us before you see him.
How would you
When did this flag go up? Oh, he's a
Must
big
be
one.
pretty
Settle
good if
down,
you can't
settle
get it
down.
up the hole.
Take your time.
He catches his
Just gotta
foot.
point him up the hole.
He
Once
catches
he's
a
up-
40-incher 2 years in a row. 2 trips in a row.
Just point him up the hole. Don't bite your glove. Let's go.
watch your side case on the fucking ground?
I think we got a 42.
I think we got an over 40. I haven't fucking seen it. How hard is he, Dave?
He's heavy. Holy fuck.
Look at that fish! Holy shit! Nice job, Davey!
Yeah!
I hate you.
Get hold of that bitch. Nice job, fella.
Oh, that's a fucking funny.
Where's your scale? Shit, I got my fake.
Go, go, go.